everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Journey, where learning English is fun and easy. Today's topic is travel and transport English. Do you like travelling? Do you use a bus, a train, or maybe a plane? In today's lesson, you'll learn simple English words and sentences that you can use when you travel. We'll follow two friends, Lisa and Tom, as they plan a trip to another city. You'll hear them at the bus station, at the train station, and even asking for directions. So get ready. Let's begin our travel English adventure together. Main story: Lisa and Tom's travel day. Scene 1, at home, morning.
Lisa, Tom, are you ready? Our bus leaves at 9 a.m.
Tom. Almost ready, Lisa. I just need to pack my bag.
Don't forget your ticket and ID.
Got them. Where are we going again?
We're going to the city of Greenfield for the weekend.
Oh, right. I'm excited. Let's go.
Scene 2, at the bus station. Excuse me, where can we buy the bus tickets?
Ticket clerk. You can buy them at counter number 3.
Thank you.
2 tickets to Greenfield, please.
That's $20 each.
Here you go.
Thank you. The bus leaves from platform 5 at 9 a.m.
Great. Let's find platform 5.
Scene 3, on the bus.
Wow, the bus looks clean and comfortable.
Yes, I like it. Do you want the window seat?
Sure, thank you.
Look at that mountain. It's beautiful.
I love traveling by bus. It's relaxing.
Scene 4, at the train station, later.
Lisa, should we take a train for our next trip?
Good idea. I've never taken a train before.
Let's check the schedule.
Excuse me, when is the next train to Rivertown?
Station staff. The next train leaves at 3 p.m. from platform 2.
Thank you. How much is one ticket?
It's $15 each.
Perfect. Let's buy 2 tickets.
Scene 5, asking for directions.
Tom, where is a taxi stand?
I'm not sure. Let's ask someone.
Excuse me, can you tell me where the taxis are?
Yes. Go straight and turn right. You'll see them near the exit.
Lisa, thank you so much.
Tom. Let's go catch a taxi.
Vocabulary and expressions. Now, let's learn some useful words and phrases from the story. Listen carefully and repeat after me. 1 ticket, a piece of paper that lets you travel. Example, I need a ticket for the bus. 2 platform, the place where you get on a train or bus. Example, the bus leaves from platform 5. 3 schedule, a list of times for buses, trains, or flights. Example, let's check the train schedule. 4 luggage/bag, the things you carry when you travel. Example, my luggage is heavy today. 5. Depart, leave, when a bus, train, or plane starts its journey. Example, the train departs at 3 p.m. 6. Arrive, when you reach your destination. Example, we will arrive at 5 p.m. 7. Ticket counter, the place where you buy tickets. Example, let's go to the ticket counter. 8. Taxi stand, the place where taxis wait for passengers. Example, the taxi stand is near the exit. 9. Direction, the way to go somewhere. Example, can you give me directions to the station? 10. Journey, a trip from one place to another. Example, our journey to Greenfield was fun. Practice section. Repeat after me. Now it's your turn. Let's practice speaking together. I'll say each sentence slowly. Repeat after me, out loud. Say it with me. 1. Excuse me, where can I buy a ticket? 2. The bus leaves at 9 a.m. 3. A ticket to Greenfield, please. 4. Can you tell me where the taxis are? 5. Let's check the train schedule. 6. The train departs from platform 2. 7. We will arrive at 5 p.m. 8. I love travelling by bus. 9. Don't forget your ID. 10. Thank you. Have a nice trip. Story recap. Let's listen to a short version of today's story again. Lisa and Tom planned a trip to Greenfield. They went to the bus station and bought tickets. They took the bus and enjoyed the beautiful view. Later, they visited the train station to plan their next trip. They asked for directions and found a taxi stand. It was a fun travel day full of learning and adventure. Outro, call to action. Great job today, everyone. Now you can talk about travel and transport in English. You learned how to ask for tickets, find platforms, and ask for directions, just like real travellers. Remember, practice makes progress. Watch this video again and repeat the sentences aloud. Try to use these phrases the next time you travel or take a bus or train. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy English Journey for more fun lessons every week. And tell us in the comments, what's your favourite way to travel, bus, train, or plane? Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep learning English. Bye for now.